So guys, this is Gigabyte graphic card, AORUS GeForce RTX 3080 Ti XTREME 12G, and let's check the specification of this graphic card. So this is a graphic socket number which is required GeForce RTX 3080 Ti, core clock which is 1830 megahertz, and reference which is support 1665, and DUDA core which is 10024 240, and this is the memory clock graphic card clock speed 19,000. This is your graphic card limits 12 GB. This is type of your graphic card GDDR6X, and this is your graphic card bit speed which is transferred data to GPU to VRAM 384 bits, and this is your graphic card speed 912 GB per second, and this is a display resolutions max supporting this 7680 into 4320 multi-view. We can connect 4, and this is required a power supply of, you can see, 550 watt SMPS 8-bit 83 pin, and you can see 6 display port, 3 DP port, 2 HDMI port which is 2.1, and 1 HDMI port which is 2.0.